Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to this video. My name is Ahmad Reza, and in this video, we will discuss about the material that we already learned in the previous meeting, from the first meeting until the seventh meeting. This video is for mid-semester test for English course. So we already got 35 questions here, and we're gonna discuss it one by one. From the first question is, Rido blank 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 ramen every morning. And the answer is B, eats. Why eats? Because the sentence is using simple present tense in a positive form. Jadi ini kalimat simple present tense dalam bentuk positif. And the subject Rido is a third person singular subject atau orang ketiga tunggal. Jadi, the subject Rido must be followed by verb 1 plus S. Dan di sini jawaban yang memenuhi adalah B, eats. Okay. The second one is Ahmed lives in Mecca, so he must be in blank blank blank. And the answer is Saudi Arabia, because the city of Mecca is one of the holiest sites for Muslims that is located in Saudi Arabia. Next question is number 3. Faris rides a bike to campus blank blank blank. The answer is every morning. Why every morning? Because the verb rides is written in the form of verb 1 plus S or ES. Jadi verb 1-nya itu adalah ride, kemudian ditambahkan S menjadi rides. From that, we know that the sentence must be using simple present tense. Karena dalam simple present tense itu formulanya adalah menggunakan verb 1 plus S or ES jika subjeknya adalah third person singular. So the correct answer is A. And then number 4, Ariana Grande blank 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 a singer. And the answer is C, is. Why is? Because the sentence is using simple present tense again in positive form. And the subject Ariana Grande is a third person singular subject atau orang ketiga tunggal, same as Rido in the previous questions. So the subject Ariana Grande must be followed by to be is. Okay, next question is number 5. Gibran and Fezan blank 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 my friends. And the answer is A, are. Why are? Because the sentence is again using simple present tense in a positive form. Jadi ini adalah kalimat simple present tense dalam bentuk positif. And the subject Gibran and Fezan is a third person plural. Jadi kalau yang tadi adalah singular, ini adalah plural alias jamak. Orang ketiga jamak. So the subject Gibran and Fezan must be followed by to be, are. Okay, next question is number 6. Desti blank 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 not come to campus because she has flu. And the answer is B, does. Why does? Because the sentence is using simple present tense but in a negative form. Jadi beda dengan soal sebelumnya yang menggunakan positive form. Ini kita menggunakan negative form. And the subject Desti is a third person singular subject. Just like Rido and Ariana Grande. So the subject Desti must be followed by does. Okay, the next question is, Ririn comes from Bali Island. She and blank blank family lives in Krui now. The answer is her, because we can see that there is subject she in the sentence. So the possessive adjective form of she is her. So the answer is C. And then number 8. Make these sentences into one sentence. Cassie has a brother, he's a dentist. Jadi the answer is D. Cassie's brother is a dentist. Why? Because the possessive noun is used to express about kepemilikan dari sebuah benda. Jadi di sini we are talking about possessive noun. If we want to use possessive noun, we can use it by adding apostrophe plus S atau tanda koma di atas apostrophe plus S after the name of the person that own the noun, alias setelah nama orang yang mempunyai benda tersebut. Dalam hal ini, in this case, the noun is brother. Nah, jadi jawabannya the answer is D. Kenapa bukan C? Because the name of the subject is Cassie, not Cassis. Karena di situ kalau dalam pilihan C, apostrophe itu diletakkan setelah huruf S dalam Cassis, sedangkan namanya adalah Cassie. Okay, number 9. Today is Sunday. What day will it be in 2 days after? The answer is C, Tuesday. So, ini sudah jelas ya bahwa it is clear that 2 days after Sunday must be Tuesday. 2 hari setelah hari Minggu adalah hari Selasa. Number 10. Agustin is going to Tokyo. She is blank 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 an airplane now. The answer is B. So this question is about preposition and the answer is on. Why we use on? Because we use on for transportation where we can fully stand up there, alias di mana kita bisa berdiri sepenuhnya di dalam kendaraan tersebut. Dan kita bisa berdiri sepenuhnya di dalam sebuah pesawat. Gitu. We can fully stand on airplane. So the answer is B. Number 11, Dimas is going to campus. He is blank 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 a taxi right now. The answer is A, in. Why in? Because we use in for transportation where we cannot fully stand up there. Alias kita nggak bisa berdiri sepenuhnya di dalam kendaraan tersebut. Di dalam taksi, di dalam mobil, itu kita nggak bisa berdiri sepenuhnya. Jadi, the answer is A. Number 12, Sophia eat blank 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 avocado. The answer is A, an. So we're talking about the articles here. An and a is an indefinite articles, means sebuah. In this sentence, we use an because the object has vocal pronunciation in the first syllable. Jadi avocado itu dia pelafalan pertamanya itu menggunakan huruf vokal, makanya kita menggunakan an. Okay, next question is number 13. I'm blank 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 to Raisa's podcast right now. The answer is B, listening. Because it's still happening. So we use present continuous tense, which in this tense we use the formula subject plus to be plus verb plus ing. So the verb ing that will suitable is B, listening. Number 14. Please be quiet. I blank 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 try to concentrate. The answer is A, am, because we can see that there is verb plus ing in the sentence, which is trying, try plus ing. It means that the sentence is using present continuous tense. Following the formula, berdasarkan formulanya, we must add to be am because the subject is I. Jadi kalau subject I harus diikuti oleh am. Okay, number 15. There are several blank 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 in front of the house. The answer is C, women. Why the answer is women? Because the word several shows that the noun is plural atau jamak. Man, woman, and child is a singular noun atau bentuk tunggal. Sedangkan women, while women is a plural form of woman. Jadi women itu adalah bentuk jamak dari woman. Okay, next question. Number 16. The A. Does he have any siblings? B. Blank blank blank. The answer is C. Yes, he does. Why the answer is C? Because this question used to have in interrogative form. Jadi ini menggunakan to have dalam bentuk kalimat tanya. Because the subject we use is a he atau kata ganti orang ketiga tunggal, we can answer it using short answer form like yes he does or no he doesn't. So the answer is C. Number 17. A. Blank blank blank, you like a cup of tea? B. Oh sure. And the answer is D, would. Why would? And because this question is talking about modals verb. Would is a modal verb. Would is the past form of will that is used to express a wish or an offer. Because in these questions, A is offering something to B. A is offering a tea to B. Ya, seperti yang bisa kita lihat soalnya, A ini sedang menawarkan teh kepada B. So, the right answer is would. And then number 18. Rizky blank 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 cook very well. He is really great at it. The answer is A, can. Why we use can? Because the modals can be used to express the ability to do something. Rizky is really great at cooking. This indicates that Rizky can cook. So number 19. Blank blank blank, I help you. The answer is B, may. Why we use may? Because may is used to offer something. In this case, we offer help to someone. But may is used to offer something in a more polite way. So use B, may. And then number 20. I blank 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 stay on diet if I don't want to get obesity. The answer is have to. Why we use have to? Because the modals is used to express the necessity of doing something. Di sini subjek I itu memiliki sebuah keharusan untuk tetap diet jika ia tidak mau terkena obesitas. Makanya di sini kita menggunakan modals have to. Okay, number 21. Sally has blank 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 money. The answer is B, some. Because money is uncountable noun. For uncountable nouns are always singular and needs the word some. Jadi untuk uncountable nouns dalam bentuk positif, dalam bentuk kalimat positif itu akan diikuti oleh kata some. Number 22, Faris doesn't have blank 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 money. The answer is A, any. Jadi money ini adalah uncountable noun. Tapi di sini kalimatnya adalah dalam bentuk negative form. For interrogative and negative form, we use any. So the answer is A. Lalu number 23. When does New Year's Day fall on? The answer is A, January 1st. Ya, we already know ya. Jadi tahun baru itu jatuh pada tanggal 1 Januari. Option B adalah Christmas Day atau Natal. Lalu option C itu adalah Hari Buruh. Kemudian option D itu adalah Mother's Day atau Hari Ibu. Okay, next question, number 24. They were blank 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 a new road yesterday. The answer is D, trying. Why we use trying? Because the sentence above is using past continuous tense. Jadi kalimat di atas itu menggunakan kata past continuous tense, menggunakan tense, past continuous. Nah, formula dari past continuous itu adalah subject plus to be was were plus verb ing plus object. Past continuous tense is used to show the activity that is still happening in the past. Jadi tenses ini digunakan untuk menunjukkan aktivitas yang sedang terjadi di masa lampau. Dan berdasarkan formulanya di sini setelah to be itu harus diikuti oleh verb ing, dan di sini verb ing itu ada di dalam option D. Number 25. They will be blank 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 to dormitory later. The answer is C, going. Why we use going? Because the sentence is using future continuous tense. Jadi ini adalah tensesnya adalah future continuous with the formula subject plus will plus be plus verb ing. Future continuous is a verb tense that indicates that something will occur in the future. Nah, jadi future continuous ini tenses yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan bahwa sesuatu itu akan terjadi di masa depan. Dan di sini setelah kata will be itu diikuti oleh verb ing. And the verb ing in this multiple choices is on option C. So the answer is C. Number 26. Blank 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 Dian been to Palestine. The answer is B, has. Why has? Because the sentence is using present perfect tense with formula subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object. Because it is in interrogative form, so have or has must be put before the subject. In this case, the subject is a third person singular subject. Dian is a third person singular subject. Jadi Dian ini adalah subjek orang ketiga tunggal. Dan jadi kita harus menggunakan has. Dan di sini terdapat dalam option B. Okay, number 27. It blank 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 raining a lot this week. The answer is B, has been. Why has been? Because the sentence is using present perfect continuous tense with formula subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing plus object. This tenses ini menunjukkan bahwa kegiatan tersebut sedang berlangsung namun sudah berlalu. Dan di sini bisa kita lihat, in this case, the subject is a third person singular subject. Ya, jadi it ini adalah third person singular. Jadi antara have atau has, kita menggunakan has atau has been. Oke, number 28. My brother blank 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 washing the dishes at 4 p.m. yesterday. The answer is A, was. Why was? Because the sentence is using past continuous tense with the formula subject plus was were plus verb ing plus object. This tense is used to show the activity that is still happening in the past. Atau untuk menunjukkan sesuatu yang masih terjadi tetapi di masa lalu. In this case, the subject is a third person singular subject. Jadi my brother ini adalah third person singular atau orang ketiga tunggal. Jadi kita di sini menggunakan was, bukannya menggunakan were. Oke, number 29. My dad blank 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 smoking in the garage. The answer is C, had been. Because the sentence is using past perfect continuous with formula subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. This tense is used to mengungkapkan suatu aksi dengan durasi waktu tertentu atau kejadian yang sudah dimulai dan sedang berlangsung pada masa lampau, tetapi sudah tidak terjadi lagi di saat ini. Kemudian kalau mengikut following the formula, after the subject, it must be followed by had and been. Jadi di sini setelah subjek harus di-follow oleh had atau been, had dan been. Jadi the answer is C. Then number 30. I will be blank 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 in the station during rush hour. The answer is D, running. Jadi maksud soalnya adalah rush hour itu adalah jam sibuk. Why we use running? Because the sentence is using future continuous tense with the formula subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object. This tense is used to express thing that will be done in the future in a specific time. Jadi setelah kata will dan be, ini must be followed by verb ing. Dan di sini verb ing-nya adalah running. Jadi option D adalah jawaban yang benar. Kemudian number 31. Charlie blank 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 a lot of photographs of the Hagia Sophia when he went there on his last vacation. So the answer is C, took. The sentence is using simple past tense with formula subject plus verb to plus object. Jadi di sini took itu adalah verb to dari take. Makanya kita pilih option C. Okay, number 32. After my cousin had come here, this house blank 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 better than before. The answer is C, got. The explanation for this question, jadi dalam kalimat tersebut itu terdapat pola after plus s subject atau plus had plus verb 3. Jadi after plus subject my cousin plus had plus verb 3. Jadi come in di sini adalah verb 3. Jadi pola seperti ini akan berpasangan dengan tenses yang berbentuk simple past. Jadi di sini maka pilihan yang tepat adalah verb dalam bentuk verb to. Di sini dalam pilihannya yang bentuk verb to adalah see, got. And then number 33. Every person in the neighborhood help from others. The answer is B, needs. Why needs? Because the sentence is using simple present tense. The subject, every person in the neighborhood, is a singular subject. So we must add s or es after the verbs. Jadi di sini semua kalimat verbnya adalah need. Need. Di sini di option C juga need, di option D juga need. Dan kita hanya perlu menambahkan s or es setelah verb tersebut. Jadi pilihan yang benar adalah B, needs. Number 34. You are the best dad ever. This sentence is similar with, di sini the answer is A. You're the best dad ever. Why we choose A? Because your is a contraction form of you are. Jadi your yang ini, yang di pilihan A, itu adalah contraction form atau bentuk kontraksi dari you are. Jadi this combination is done by putting an apostrophe between two words. Jadi di antara kata you dan are ini dikasih tanda apostrof. Kenapa bukan yang di? Karena di sini ada yours. Yours di sini bukan contraction form. Jadi di sini pilihannya A, dan di sini juga pilihannya salah. Jadi sebenarnya di sini adalah your, tapi karena di sini sama, jadi jawaban yang benar adalah A dan B. Lalu the last questions, number 35. June 15th, Reza will celebrate his 18th birthday. The answer is C, on, because the preposition on can be used to express a date. In this case, the date is June 15, so we use the preposition on. Okay. Okay, that's it from my explanation. Hope you will understand it and hope it will help you understand more about English. I'm sincerely apologize if there is something wrong in the process of making this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.